When we were young, you told us we could be anything. So we went to school, got degrees, but now what? Suddenly nothing seems secure anymore. What about those jobs you promised us? We're working in bars, restaurants, and stores just to make ends meet. We're not waiting for a promotion, not waiting for a break, not waiting for somebody to tell us what to do. Our time is now. We've got the tools to challenge you. We've got a new language. We're the ones who'll change the way you see things. We'll work with you, but never for you. And at some point, we'll likely surpass you. Because we can. We'll become what we want to be, with or without you. We're writing our own future, line by line.